So we put some of the seeds into culture, and then they started to germinate, and you can see them germinating here in the jelly, because sometimes they're also very hard to germinate. Next one. Then we actually put it and it starts to multiply. Next one. And there you can see lots and lots of bamboo plants inside the laboratory that is growing on the jelly. And then we sometimes have some problems, and some of them die, and then we try to also root them. And some will root and some will not root. So it makes it very complicated for us sometimes. And then after that, they go out to the nursery and we plant them in seedling trays. And the seedling trays are then, they start to harden off, and they go out in seedlings, and then after that, we put them into a bag. They get planted. You can see how these ones were planted, the ones that were successful. They came and then we put them into a bag, and these plants went all the way to Mozambique. Thank you. So, planting and delivery, and then obviously it grows from there. Thank you. So that is my presentation on the propagation, but I'd like to also just touch on a little bit. Thank you. About market development. So this here is actually very, very important, because how to look at how to develop your market is eventually you have to look at who your competitors are going to be. And when I was talking, I could see that China has a lot of bamboo, and they are very, very good at making products. They make all sorts of things, as you might have seen, that comes from China. And it's also very, very difficult to compete against China, because they have so much. But one thing that is very positive is that here we are in Africa. And Africa is the continent that is growing the fastest, has the most potential of all the continents. And so it would be wonderful to develop products within Africa so that we can actually make sure that it can be developed here and can be used here in our own continent. And one edge that we do have is that it's very difficult to freight sometimes, and there are transport costs to bring a product to your continent. So we can maybe look at focusing on some things that we can use here ourselves.